Good afternoon, students of class 5. Students, this is your English class. You already got your exam routine from the website. Okay, yes, Kanan, very good afternoon. So, students, today, as exam is waiting at your door, so I repeat the syllabus again, though I already told you several times, still. Okay, so get ready. Marigold book, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from English text. Now, from English grammar, chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, then 27, 29, 31, 30, 29, 30, 31, 34. Clear? Chapter 37, 38 will not come. Paragraph writing, story writing will not come. Though already I told you. Still, I repeat, English grammar. Unit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 12, then 27, then 29, 30, 31, 34. Clear? Chapter 37, 38 will not come. Story writing, letter writing. And the question will be in MCQ pattern. Clear? So, students, today we will revise. Okay? Today we will revise. I will ask questions. Clear? I will ask questions and you will give me answer promptly. So, at first I will ask questions from Rip Van Winkle. Okay, MCQ type. So, are you ready? Okay, Arya. Okay, Arya, Vipsha, Ati. So, from Rip Van Winkle, get ready. My first question is, Rip Van Winkle was a lazy or hard-working person? Give me the answer. Lazy, hard-working. Lazy, very good. Ati, you are the first one. Next, the name of the village where Rip Van lived. Sorry, name of the mountains. Name of the mountains. Catskill, Arya, you missed the S. Catskill. Okay, next, tell me. Rip was kind to children. True or false? Rip was kind to children. True or false? True. Very good. Who gave me the first one? Arush. Okay, very nice. Arush, Abhipsha, Ati, Arya, Kanan. Very good. Kanan, True. Next. Rip was a hard-working man. True or false? Give me the answer. Rip was a hard-working man. False. Next. The short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. True or false? The short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. Yes, false. Hey, who said true? I don't know. I don't know, that is false. Yes. Next. Rip helped the old man on the mountains because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel. True or false? He wanted to have the drink from the barrel. Yes, false. Very good. Next. Rip was away from his village for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. 20 years, yes, 20. Arya Hajra. Next. Nobody recognized Rip when he came back because he had reached the wrong village. True or false? False. Very good, Abhipsha. Now, the old man who recognized Rip was his neighbor, mother, sister. The old woman who recognized Rip was his neighbor, mother, sister. Yes, Abhipsha, again you are the first one. Very nice. Next. The name of his dog was tiger, lion, wolf. The name of his tiger. The name of his dog. Yes, wolf. Arush, this time you are the first one. Very nice. Next. Rip was a kind neighbor, cruel neighbor. Kind neighbor or cruel neighbor? Kind, Abhipsha, yes. Now, tell me, Rip was sleeping for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, none of this. Rip was sleeping for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, none of this. Listen to my question first. Ayati, Abhipsha, Arya Hazra, you are the right one. Yes, none. Abhipsha, you are also correct. Yes, Arush, Kanan, very nice. So, you must concentrate on your question. Clear? You know the answer 20 years, but it is not asked there. Now, can we move to the poem The Lazy Frog? Are you ready, students? Lazy Frog. Okay. So, I am going to ask from Lazy Frog. Okay, Ayati? So, name of the lazy frog. Name of the lazy frog was Freddy, Teddy, Fred. Freddy, Teddy, Fred. Which one? Okay, Fred. Now, tell me another thing. When a lady frog hops by, he does not even open up one eye, two eye, three eye. One, okay? Who is here? Arya Hazra. Now, who can tell me the meaning of hard of hearing? Who can tell me the meaning of hard of hearing? Who can tell me? Deaf. Abhipsha, very nice. You are the first one. Now, the frog used to loll upon a bench, upon a log, upon a bed. Yes. Abhipsha, Arush, Aranya, Ayati. Okay, Abhipsha, you are the first one. Now tell me. Come in and help. Who said this? Come in and help. Who said this? Fred's father, Fred's mother, Fred's sister. Who said this? Come in and help. Mother. Abhipsha. This time Arush is the first one. Okay. Now tell me, what did the frog do all day? Hey Kanan, what you wrote? Tere, mother, what is this? Aranya, mother spelling is wrong. Okay, so now move to my elder brother. Okay, now tell me, my eldest brother Munna was dash years younger than his brother. Munna was dash years younger. Abhipsha, very nice, Abhipsha. Now tell me, Munna and his brother used to stay in a mess, in a home, in a hostel, in a mess, in a room, in a hostel. Yes, hostel. Avipsha again. Now tell me. Who used to write the same lines 20 times? Who used to write the same word 20 times? Who used to write the same word 20 times? Yes, Arush, yes. Munna likes to fly kites, playing basketball, playing kabaddi. Munna likes flying kites, playing basketball, playing kabaddi. Fly kites, yes. Tell me, true or false? Bhaiya was very good in a gulli danda game. Bhaiya was very good in a gulli danda game. True or false? False. Ayati, yes. The name of the younger brother is. Who can tell me? Who can tell me the name of? Yes, Munna, Arush. Now tell me, why was Munna not happy with the timetable that Bhaiya made for him? Why was Munna not happy with the timetable that Bhaiya made for him? At least in one sentence, give me the answer. Students, some of the students, actually all the students gave the right answer, but there is a problem with some students. Actually, you didn't follow the question. The question was in past tense, so you should write there was no time. Okay, there is no time. No, there was. The question was asked in past tense. Clear? But some of you wrote the right one, that there was no time, because there was no time, it had no time. You gave the answer in past tense. But I am talking about those students who wrote in present tense. Clear? Okay, very nice. Now, what are the things that Munna like to do? What are the things that Munna like to do? Write in short. Okay, I am giving you the option. Munna like to do. Okay, I am giving the option. Dancing, playing, singing. Munna like to do dancing, playing, singing. Choose the right option. Playing. Very nice. Now move to crying. Poem, crying. Ready? Okay. Crying. Okay, in this poem, the poet tells us to cry a little or cry a lot. In the poem Crying, the poet tells us to cry a little or a lot. Arya Hajra gave me the first answer. Arya Hajra, Ayati, Avipsha, yes, Aranno, all the answers are correct. Now, tell me. The poet says, true or false? I am asking, true or false? Tell me. The poet says, you must not cry much. The poet says, you must not cry much. False. Yes. The poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. The poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. True or false? True. Okay. Now listen to my next question carefully. My next question is, the poet says that you should open the window and show people that you are crying. The poet says that you should open the window and show people that you are crying. True or false? Arya Hajra, right one, the first one. Kanan, yes, all the answers are correct. Then Adrian, then Abhipsha, then Arana, Ayati. Now my next question. Let me see who gave me the right one. Okay, be careful. The poet says, you should cry till your bed is soaked. The poet says that you should cry till your bed is soaked. The poet says that you should cry till your bed is soaked. Arya, Adrian, Ayati, Abhipsha, Aranna, all the answers are correct. The right answer is till your pillow is soaked, isn't it? Okay. Now, next question is, happiness was hiding in the first tier, last tier, second tier. Happiness was hiding in the last tier, first tier, second tier, last. Ayati, right. Ayati is the first one, Ayati. Then Arush, then Arya, then Abhipsha. Okay. Okay, student, now tell me the truth. Okay. The question is, do you feel ashamed after crying a lot? Do you feel ashamed after crying a lot? Tell me the truth. Abhipsha, why? Arush, Arya, okay, very nice. But Abhipsha, don't be ashamed. You know, I already told you, na? After crying we feel light, isn't it? And crying is not a bad thing. It clears our heart, it lightens our heart. So the poet here says, okay, we should cry a lot. Now, Robinson Crusoe. Yes, Arya. Yes, you are right. Arush also right. Now, Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe was on a boat, in a town, on an aeroplane, none of this. Robinson Crusoe was on a boat, in a town, on an aeroplane, none of this. Arush, none. Very good, all of you. Arush, then Ayati, then Abhipsha, then Arano, then Adrian. If I miss any name, okay, don't mind. All of you are very dear to me. Okay. Next question. Robinson ran back to his home as fast he could because he was racing. He was afraid. He was in a hurry to go home. He was racing. Yes, Abhipsha, you are the first one. Next. Robinson Crusoe lived in a cave, okay, in a room, in a house. Robinson Crusoe lived in a cave, in a house. Yes, Arush, the first one this time. Now, my next question is, Robinson Crusoe returned home very sad, frightened, happy. Robinson Crusoe returned home very sad, frightened, happy. Frightened, Abhipsha. Okay, next. Okay, Robinson Crusoe called Arya Hajra. What you wrote? Kanan, frightened spelling. Spelling mistake is there. Okay, now Robinson used to call his cave. Robinson used to call his cave. Yes, Ayati. Ayati. Okay, very nice. My next question is, he could not sleep. He could not sleep. Castle spelling, Aranya, Kanan, castle spelling, wrong spelling. Okay, he could not sleep because there was an animal outside his cave. There was an animal outside his cave. Or he thought savages had come from the mainland. Or he thought savages had come from the mainland. Next, his bed was uncomfortable. Yes, I think savages, yes. Okay. Now, my next question. The print of a foot, the print of a foot was of a tiger, a lion, a dog, a man. The print of the foot was of a lion, a tiger, a man, a dog. Yes, man. Who gave Navamita? Where were you? Why after so late? Okay. Next. Next question. I did not sleep that day, night, afternoon. I did not sleep that day, night, afternoon. Night, Ayati. Okay. My next question is, now students, I am asking one thing. Savages. Savages, meaning of savages, okay? Wild people, gentle people. The meaning of savages. Wild people, gentle people. Meaning of savages. Yes, Abhipsha. Abhipsha, you are right. Okay. Now, my next question is from crying. Soaked. Meaning of soaked. Completely dry, slightly wet, completely wet. Listen, meaning of soaked, completely dry, slightly wet, completely wet. It is only Abhipsha who gave me the right answer. Kanan, Arya, why did you write wet? I gave the option. The options were completely dry, slightly wet, completely wet. So, you must listen to the question first. Abhipsha, you are right. Abhipsha, Arush, Arya. Arya, why didn't you notice at first? Okay, now. So, students, to today up to this. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Until then, it's okay, Arya. Don't be sorry. Okay. So, students, wish you all the best for your exam. Students, are you happy with the class? Did you enjoy this class? Okay. Bye, students. Bye. Thank you so much.